the cost of the COVID-19 pandemic is rising daily, but the more the world learns about its origins, the more evidence points to China. Should the Chinese Communist Party be held responsible for the damage? And if so, how much? U.S. lawmakers introduced two bills seeking a combined $20.6 trillion in compensation. Here's what that number looks like. Texas Representative Troy Niles introduced the China-Lied People Died Act on Thursday. It would demand the CCP repay the $4.6 trillion Washington spent on COVID-19 relief. What's more, it would block federal funds from being transferred to China until the communist regime reimburses the U.S. The hardline stance on the CCP led to another resolution earlier this month. That measure would direct the House to hold China responsible for paying the U.S. $16 trillion, the money to cover economic losses to Americans. Under both bills, China would have to pay the U.S. over $20 trillion in total. That's more than China's GDP in 2021, around $18 trillion. Niles told Fox News that the CCP single-handedly caused the deaths of 1 million Americans and the worst economic disaster in U.S. history. The bills come as U.S. lawmakers gear up to investigate the origins of COVID-19. House Speaker Kevin McCarthy recently announced the formation of the Select Subcommittee on the Coronavirus Pandemic. The special task force will probe the beginnings of the pandemic that rocked the globe.